In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to refund attribute points in Cyberpunk. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Spending your attribute points wisely is crucial whenever you're trying to do a specific build in Cyberpunk. So to manage these points, open the main menu, so pause the game at any point and go over to the Character tab. When you go over to Character, you should be able to see your skills, perks, attributes, whatever you want to call them. So you will see the amount that you've spent here. And if you look at the bottom left corner of the screen, you should see Reset Attributes. If for whatever reason you don't see this button right away, make sure that you are fully out of combat. If you are in combat, this button might not appear, or for story-related reasons, it might also not be available. But as long as you are in a safe location, you pause the game without any major events happening, you will see it here. When you select this option, you will be refunded all of your points, so attribute points, perk points, relic points, and so on. However, for whatever reason, you can only do this once. So when you choose this option, there will be a big warning telling you that you can only use this once. It is extremely unfortunate that you can only refund all of your attributes one time per character. So if you are on PC, you can circumvent this by using mods, but on consoles, because you cannot just get mods, you will be limited to respecking once per character or per save that you have. Extremely sad that you cannot just switch builds on the fly. But regardless, this is how you can do it without any mods. So you choose the Reset Attributes option, all these points will be refunded, and you can choose how you want to spend them once you have all of the points back. Once again, be sure to do this carefully because you can only do it one time per character. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, only 83% of the people watching these videos are not subscribed. Only 16% are. So by subscribing, you can help the channel tremendously. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.